It is June 2021. I'm in my staycation in Cornwall. I'm in Newquay. Check it out, I'm in Newquay Harbour. This is Newquay Harbour Beach here. Basically, I've come to Cornwall. If you don't know, Cornwall is the little sticky outy thing on the down on the bottom left of Britain. Geography. So yeah, I've come down to Cornwall. I'm going to be here for a week, then I'm going to travel about. I'm going to go into Devon and Dorset as well, but for now we're in Newquay. I'm going to take you up to the top and show you the harbour. So here we have it, Newquay Harbour Beach, Towan Beach, Great Western Beach, and the one at the end is Tolkien Beach. And there's the harbour. Check it out. Yeah, Newquay seems to be like a bit of a mecca for surfers. People come down here to surf, bodyboard, paddleboard, all that kind of stuff. But I don't know man, I'm not much of a water baby. I've got this crippling fear of drowning, so not sure if I'll be partaking in any of that, but you never know. My friend Met the Rat's coming over tomorrow. I know he's into all that stuff, so he might try and force me into it. I might get on a bodyboard or a paddleboard at some point, we'll see. Anyway, check it out, Newquay Harbour. Looks like we're coming up to some little White Castle thing. I'll find out what it is and caption it for you. Oh. Jesus Christ. Where are the health and safety regulations here? Just risked my life climbing up here. Right, how am I going to get down though? I have to go down this way, I think. Man, that was treacherous trying to climb up that narrow staircase. Why don't they just make them steps a little bit wider? I was having a walk around here last night. I went out onto that sticky outy bit to that white little tower structure. I don't really know what it is, like lookout points or something. Looks like there's some crazy people jumping off rocks into the sea there. I don't know if you can see it. Feel like I'm totally out of practice with me vlogging. Like I say, I haven't vlogged since October last year when I was in Poland. I can't even get my words out properly. Check it out anyway, Newquay Headland. How nice is it? Oh, it is them people jumping off, look. Yeah, there's that white structure on the hill I went to last night. I think it's some kind of lookout point. Check my Fistral Beach and Headland video. Yeah, weather's turned out all right today. It started overcast, but it's getting pretty hot now. I'm getting a bit of a sweat on. I might have to take my Adidas off. I think there's a guy surfing out in the sea, look. Hey, see him? Look at the colour of that water, man. Yeah, it's June the 20th, so this is the plan for our staycation. Matt's coming over tonight. We're staying at the International Backpackers Hostel. We're going to be in Newquay for another 3 nights. We're probably going to go a trip down the Eden Project tomorrow. The day after, probably go to Tintagel, King Arthur's Castle. After that, we're going to go camping down at Lizard Point. Lizard Point is like a little peninsula on the bottom of Cornwall. So a sticky outy thing on the bottom of the larger sticky outy thing, which is known as Cornwall. Geography. After that, we're going to come back to Newquay, stay in a different hostel, one that's got its own bar. I think it's a bit more of a party hostel. Spend the weekend here, check out Newquay nightlife. Then we're going to go across to Plymouth for a night, then across to Dorset to the Jurassic Coast, because Matt wants to go digging for dinosaur fossils. He thinks he's some kind of paleontologist or something. He thinks he's going to find some dinosaur bones there. Yeah, so when we get to Dorset, we're going to be camping there as well in Weymouth. A farm campsite place, looks really cool. After that we're going to Bristol for a night, then we're flying home. That's it. That's our little West Country, Southwest, whatever we call it, tour 2021. This is it. Check it out, man. How nice is it here? We're coming up to where the Fistral Beach Bar and the big fish and chip restaurant Rick Stein's is over here. I had fish and chips and Rick Stein's last night. It was nice. Went back to the hostel after that, came back out to go to the beach bar. It was closed. The bar was closed at 10 o'clock. So I don't know if it's to do with the pandemic or what, but the bars down here aren't opening that late. I have been told that there's another bar further round towards Tower Beach round that way, Belushi's, that was open till 1 AM last night apparently, so should have gone round that end. Yeah, this is it, Rick Stein's fish restaurant. I was here last night. It's really cool. There's a fish house there. I haven't been to that one. And the Fistral Beach Bar is down that way. Yeah, Fish Stein's restaurant is weird. If you want to sit outside, you've got to download the app onto your phone and order with the app. Pay for it with your bank details, and then they bring the food out to you. It's so weird. I just sat over there. Or if you just want to get takeaway, you can just pay with money, or if you want to eat inside, you can just pay inside. This is it. Rick Stein's place is cool. It's not the cheapest. I paid about £15, £14 odd for fish and chips, curry sauce and a can of pop. Right. But it was nice, yeah. Check it out, Fistral Beach. And the Fistral Beach Bar down there. Hopefully we'll be checking that one out tonight. Like I say, it did close early last night, which was surprising because it was Saturday night, but they'd already served last orders at 10, so yeah, we're going to get down there early tonight. Anyway, I'm going to carry on walking round. There's another beach further that way called Crantock Beach, an estuary, the Gannel Estuary that leads into the Gannel River, so I want to go and check that one out next. Yeah, this place has got a real home and away vibe to it, hasn't it? I think it has. Fistral Beach Bar looks cool. Yeah, I'm going to try and get down there tonight. Just get down a bit earlier. This is it, man. Fistral Beach, check it out. Check out all the surfers. Some waves kicking up today. Wipe out. Whoa. Oh, I get wet here. Okay, there's a fat man taking a bodyboard out. Let's see how he does. Let's watch him. Whoa, I'm gonna get wet, I'm gonna get wet. Alright, go for it, mate. Let's see you in action. Oh, they're in the shot, these girls. Might have to get one of them bodyboards. Just talking about Fat Man's Wife, and she said she bought one for $12.99 in a shop in the town centre. So they're not that dear. Might have to get one and have a go and yeah, see if I can take it back with me on the plane. I might be able to use it in Sunderland or Seaburn Beach when I get back.
Home and away with you each day.
Yeah, that was Fistral Beach. Looks like it's one of Newquay's top surfing and bodyboarding spots. So we're gonna go further round and go and check out Crantock Beach next. Just got caught by the sea there. My shoes are absolutely soaking now, and these are the only pair I brought with me, so I have to get them dried off tonight before I go out.